It's that time of year again. My name is Gretchen, and I'm a retired teacher of 27 years. And I know that every summer about this time, I started thinking about my room. I know I would see the back to school stuff out, and that's instantly where I went to. How would I lay it out this year? Would I create more space? How would I rearrange my centers so they worked better for me? But it always came back to the same three simple things for me. It didn't matter how many times I tweaked it, how many intricate ways I tried to make them better. There were three things that always came about. And so after, probably quite a few years, I started just thinking from those angles first. The first one is you've got to make them simple. Simple to organize, simple for kids, simple to clean up, keeping them simple. The second, but maybe the most important thing is behavior. Manage that behavior from the beginning and don't go on until it's just how you want it. And third, make them accountable because if they're not accountable, the kids aren't always doing them, but fun and accountable. So, really pay attention to the part that talks about behavior management. That was my biggest piece, and it helped things work really well for me. Have a great year, and I hope these tips help.